What?
My bad.
Back with you right here.
Oh, okay. And then double jab. Oh, right. Well, I didn't mess up.
Remember your right hand, not your left hand this time. See that? Double jab. Right hand. There you go. Left uppercut. Right uppercut. Yeah. Left up. Right here.
Catch it?
Catch it.
Okay, oh yeah.
One, two, hook. Back to the right hand. That's what you gotta do it for. Check it. Check it. Right. Hook right here. Can you roll that way? Check. Roll. Lock it up though to your chin. Make sure they touch your chin. There you go. Put your hand across your body. Right. Right here, Jerry. So when you come here, your hand be sitting like this. You go, or you go here, here. Jab, uppercut, left hook. Jab, uppercut, hook. Alright, there you go. Right hand.
That's right.
You gotta know how to let it flow. Right hand. You slide here. Catch your hand up. Catch here. Down the middle. Make sure your hand ain't on your face though.
Okay. Make sure my hand not on my face?
Yeah, like this.
Okay.
You gotta hit hard, man.
Uh-huh.
It shake you up.
Right. Right here?
Good.
Keep it out a
Good,
little
right
bit.
there. Just a little bit more right here.
All right.
Right there. Right there. Try it again. Judge it. Judge it. Up. Up. Yeah. Look up. Come over, man. Judge it. Judge it. Judge it. Right hand, double left hook, right hand. Right hand. Try. Your left hand. Yeah. Okay, come on. Pull up here right here. Try it again. here.
Like that?
You can do it.
want to simultaneously?
I can do it. I can do it with. I can do it with this hand like that too.
Uh-huh.
Come
You
on.
want them like this, boom, boom, or just up and then up? Okay, you want them together. I don't know if you want them together or separate. All right, yeah, here we go. All right, let's go.
There you go.
What's up? What's up?
One more time.
Hey.
That's it.